Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a Windows 11 settings that you should turn on right now. So if you don't know about the settings, you can watch this video. The setting is whenever you try to run an application and sometimes your laptop or PC is just hanging or freezing or stuck on the application that you're using, and if you want to close that application, sometimes it don't work. So you just need to go to the application of the task manager, right click on it and then close window. And also that didn't work for you, then what you do is just go to the taskbar, open the task manager and then find the application, right click on it and then click on end tasks. Or what if you have an option to end tasks in the task manager, so you don't have to open the task manager. So also the task manager sometimes don't open because the task managers also use resource from the CPU when your computer is stuck and freezing, nothing working. So to get the end task option on the task manager, just open your settings option, go to the start menu, click on settings, then go to the system from the left here, and you need to go down and find this option called for developers. Click on it. Then here you'll find the option called end task, as you can see. Now just turn it on. Now if I go back to my application of the taskbar, right click on it, here you can find the option called end tasks. Now you can easily end tasks of the program that you're using whenever your computer is freezing or stuck on the screen. Just click on end tasks and it will totally turn off your application and it will help you to solve the freezing problem of your PC. So you don't have to go to the taskbar, click on task manager and find the application and then go to end tasks. Sometimes the task manager also don't run because the task manager itself, as you can see, take a lot of memory and CPU, so it also takes a lot of resources. So you don't have to open your task manager, you can just simply right click on the application and click on end tasks. So that's it guys, this is the feature that I want to show you. If you didn't know about this, you can turn it on right now. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.